Welcome to Kunming Conveyor Belt, your trusted partner for conveyor belting solutions. Join us behind the scenes to discover the step-by-step production process and see how we maintain superior quality at every stage. The process begins with preparing high-grade raw materials. Polymer materials and fabrics are sourced only from trusted suppliers. Each batch of raw materials undergoes strict chemical and physical property testing to ensure consistency and strength. Tested materials are blended with custom formulas, ensuring the perfect ratio of polymers, stabilizers, and additives to meet every customer's unique satisfaction. Air bubbles are enemies. The defoaming process eliminates them to ensure a flawless, bubble-free mixture. No weak spots, no compromises. Purity is non-negotiable. The mixed compound must be filtered and inspected to remove even the tiniest impurities so as to guarantee the finest belt quality. The blended material, together with the carcass fabric, is then sent into this fully automated production line and applied to the fabric plies with precise, uniform thickness. KCB has 5 advanced production lines in total, all fully automated and environment-friendly. Low noise, no dust, no wastewater, little exhaust emission. When required, surface textures and patterns are embossed on the top and bottom surfaces to enhance grip and improve operation efficiency. KCB has more than 50 molds for different textures to satisfy almost every customer's needs. If you need anything special, just let us know. After molding, the belts are sent to the slitter for edge trimming and precision cut to desired width and length. Every belt coming off the production line undergoes strict quality control tests, including tensile strength testing, elongation and flexibility checks, surface quality and hardness testing, abrasion and wear resistance testing, anti-static test and flame retardance verification, and anything else required by customers. Only belts that pass all quality standards are approved for shipment. Once approved, random pieces are picked up and kept as retention samples. The belts are carefully rolled, wrapped, and labeled to ensure they arrive in perfect condition in their final destination. Contact us today for custom conveyor belt solutions.